So I got this beat I'm working on, and it's all automated. I got melody sauce that I'm using, and here's what the melody sauce generated. And then I did the 808 through the melody sauce as well on a separate track. And here's what that generated. So now I'm about to add, I got this sound that I like on Omnisphere. It's pretty lit. I was thinking do something like this. D. Let it go. I might even turn the cutoff down some. And then I'm gonna bounce that. Command B. And then I got the hi-hats that you hear. I got it from the Unison Drum Monkey. So let's start adding the clap. I go to my own drum sounds. I like that. Let's add the kick. We're gonna change this last part. Let's turn off the 808 so I could. We're gonna change the kick up, kick sound. Yeah. Let's try that go with the 808. I think I'm gonna do an 8 on that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna drag and drop just the clap and the hi-hat, because those two are good. Then for the kick, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna extend this 8 bars, and I'm actually gonna do another. Yeah, so we're gonna do that first for the kick, and then I'm actually gonna go back and we're gonna do this one for the second half of those kicks, just so the kicks switch up. So now I got 2 types of kicks, which ultimately changes up the beat a little bit more. I usually would do the 808, but I'm gonna keep the 808 super simple and just change up the kicks. Turn up those hi-hats. Yeah. And then I'm actually about to add another sound with the melody sauce. And these are the sounds out of melody sauce by itself. We're in A minor style. I'll keep it trap. I don't know what we're doing. Let's try a low harp. If it don't work, it don't work. Let's do 8 bars. Let's just see what it does. No, let's go. And let's turn it up on the octave so I can actually hear the notes. Let's do it now. Let's bring it down. I like the direction it's going in. Let's see if we could do something better. Like that. I like that. Let's see. What is it? then what happens when I change the octave up to 12? Yeah, we're definitely gonna go with that. Shout out to Melody Sauce 2. This joint fire. And I'm gonna bounce that. Alright, so let me see that I have a percussion already in there. Am I missing a percussion? What do we got for the percussion? I actually like that. We're gonna keep that. Just adds a little sizzle. I use sample 1, and I'm about to go over to. Okay. I think I'm gonna do it like this. Link this to this knob onto my atom for the transpose, and we about to write. Go from high to low. Let's do a little bit more. Now we're about to add a riser. I got a gate on my mic, by the way, because I got the AC blowing. And by the way, I hate how I gotta talk like this to y'all on the mic, but hey, it's whatever, man. Bounce that. And by the way, what I do, in case you guys are wondering, once I ghost all of my midi, like I'm doing here, and I just have my audios, I hide them just in case I need to go back. I'm not doing any coloration right now or any, like, none of that matters to me right now, or markers or none of that right now. Like I get to all that at another time. I might even add a crash. Let me see a snare. Unison monkey. We're gonna go with this snare, and we actually about to use it as a off snare. And we're gonna turn this on, see how it sounds. Add another one. I like it. I think I'm good on sounds too right now. I'm gonna just kind of like manipulate these sounds a little bit. Get in like that. So I'm just doing all my expanding right now. Now I'm gonna mute everything, and we're gonna go on one by one. Okay, I think I'm good. I did like how that was coming in though. Just throwing that kick. Then we're about to. What is this? Maybe we can keep the 808s going. We're gonna add the crash. We gotta definitely take out the kick and add the 808, then bring the kick in. Bring it back. And what key is this in? This is in A minor. So I mean, doing music, like doing something to it vocally, like would just be simple. Like as far as melody wise, like sure I could generate. No, these niggas don't want it. These niggas don't want it. Yeah, these niggas don't want it. These niggas, yeah, pussy nigga don't want it. Pussy nigga don't want it. Yeah, don't want it. Yeah, these niggas don't want it. I pull out the stick. Yeah, I'm the nigga done. I'm another thing. Yeah, these niggas want it. I'm another thing. Yeah, these niggas don't want it. These niggas don't want it. And I'm stunning on you. I'm stunning on you. Yeah. Yeah. These niggas don't want it. These niggas don't want it. These niggas don't want it. These niggas don't want it, nah.